Today we'll discuss the last but not the least part of this balance payment chapter is known as methods to correct the disequilibrium of balance of payment. There are several methods to correct the disequilibrium of balance of payment. Today we'll discuss only 3 methods and other methods will be discussed in the next class. So let's start. First method is the deflation. Deflation means deflation is the classical medicine. Deflation is the classical method to correct the disequilibrium of balance of payment. So deflation means reducing the quantity of money in order to reduce the price level and money income of the people. That's why the central bank increases the bank rate, increases the CRR, cash reserve ratio, and sells the securities in the open market in order to reduce the quantity of money in the economy. What is bank rate? The rate at which the central bank gives loans to the commercial banks. When the bank rate increases, then the commercial banks are able to make less and less loans from this central bank. That's why the commercial banks have less amount of income. That's why they are able to give loan less and less to the people, and the people have less amount of money income. When the people have less amount of money income, that means the quantity of money will be low, so that their demand for the goods and services will be low, so the price will be low. So our product will be low priced. That's why the foreigners are interested to purchase our product at a lower price. So their import is our export. So our export will be cheaper, our import will be costlier. So the balance of payment deficit will be corrected. Then come to the second point. Second point is known as depreciation. Depreciation is the next method to correct the disequilibrium of balance of payment. So what do we mean by depreciation? Depreciation means falling the external value of the domestic currency in comparison to foreign currency. A currency will be depreciated when its supply of its currency will be higher than its demand. So its value will be low or value will be falling. Okay. So when the currency, any currency, suppose the domestic currency is depreciated, means more amount of the domestic currency will be available in comparison to foreign currency. That's why our export will be cheaper, because depreciation makes import costlier and export cheaper. So export will be cheaper means the foreigners are interested to purchase our product at a lower price. So their import is our export. So our export will be higher. Export will be increased so that import will be reduced, because it makes import costlier and export cheaper. So disequilibrium balance of payment is corrected. Then come to the next method, that is known as devaluation. Devaluation means official reduction of the official reduction of the external value of the domestic currency in comparison to foreign currency. The difference between devaluation and depreciation means lowering the external value of the domestic currency in comparison to foreign currency. But depreciation means automatic reduction. Depreciation depends upon market forces. Depreciation depends upon demand and supply. But devaluation depends upon the official deliberate reduction, official reduction. And the method, these two methods imply the same meaning, because these two methods reduces means import is reduced, export will be increased. These two methods are helping to increase our export, and that means they are helping to make our export cheaper and import costlier. As a result, our export will be rising. The foreigners are interested to purchase our product at a lower price because of devaluation. Devaluation is official reduction and the depreciation is automatic. But the result is same. That means export cheaper and import costlier. And balance of payment deficit will be corrected. These three methods are helping to reduce the balance of payment disequilibrium. Okay. Next methods will be discussed in the next class.